Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the adjustment of status process associated with those who travel into the United States on a K-1 visa and need to go ahead and get married and apply for their green card. Now, a lot of good news in this realm. Most notably, Biden has rescinded a lot of the more onerous rules imposed by the prior administration, most notably the public charge rules and some of the forms, really difficult and onerous forms associated with processing adjustment of status over the past few months. Now, downsides. This doesn't turn on a dime. This isn't going to happen overnight. Certain cases that were already filed may have to process through kind of under the auspices that they began processing under, so you may still see some cases that are dealing with these old difficult forms. But the nice thing is there's light at the end of the tunnel on these, and I think it's a rosier picture moving forward with respect to prospects for adjustment of status once a K-1 fiancé is in the United States. So again, issues associated with the public charge rule, we're back to 125% of the federal poverty guidelines with respect to what a sponsor needs to show in order to meet the criteria to be a sponsor for an adjustment of status. This is in contrast to what the rules were some months ago, which had a much higher financial threshold under the prior administration. So the thing to take away from this video is there's certainly good news on this front. Adjustments of status. I always hesitate to say easier because, define what easier is in an immigration context, but I definitely say it's a far more straightforward procedure to adjust status from a K-1 visa than it was, say, 6 or 8 weeks ago.